We talk football. Let's say Kaiser Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1. MTN 8 last 8. Kaiser Chiefs is out. My brother, your name and your comments.
Andile Mazibuko, all the way from Witbank. My comment are as follows. Sometimes, umu build something, you must have a foundation. It's very difficult to build something. Ithi usayakha ifoundation yakho bese abantu ba expect ukuthi indlu yakho seyiphezulu angeke kwenzeka kanjalo. Secondly, ngiyajabula mina ukuthi Chiefs idliwe manje. Why? So that we are able to see what are the problems, because ukuba kuthiwa besiwinile manje besizocabanga ukuthi all is in order. Besizocabanga all is in order kanti all is not in order. Sisabuilder. So ama fans of Chiefs must give a coach a chance. One of our fans was talking about Silva. I was in Bombela last week, and Silva walimala lapana. We are going to be here on Wednesday. Saturday we're gonna be here. Why? Because we don't follow a score, say Chiefs. We follow a Chiefs, either losing or winning. It is not all about it. It's about following the team and give a chance umuntu who you see. We are seeing what he's trying to build something. He's not playing the football that we used to play, the helicopter football. He's playing the football from a mover who's your fear pambil. It's just that sometimes you will need lucky. Today we were unlucky. We got chances. We should have very good chances. Unfortunately, we are unable. So let's give a chance and let's accept our results and move on.
No, you talk football, my brother. You talk football.
Thank you very much.
Who's your man of the match?
Well, I think there's a guy from Go Arrows. I think Ubedalala Eswin. Number Umute so. That guy. He understood. He understand the and there's another young man. Obenale Umfishan Bamkipile says of Pelican.
Yes.
That guy knows football. Other than that, the whole Golden Arrows. What was their plan? Their plan was that we are seeing with the Chiefs at the moment, it is not at their best in terms of starting the ball at the back. So they were pressing them high. So that is why they were able to destroy us.
I get your point.
Yeah.
Thank
you very much.
Thank you.